I feel the waves cut through me.
How about that? Yup.
Swing the remix god.
How about that? How about that? How about that? How about that? Catch me outside.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl DejaJanayXO, and I'm back with another video. So today, as you can tell by the title, today is another hair review. Today I will be reviewing the AliExpress vendor UNICE. I don't know. UNICE. People say it all different ways, so you get my drift. So I'm reviewing the UNICE hair, and I got these. I have 3 bundles in my head in the inches 20, 22, 24, and an 18-inch closure. And if you see me looking at my phone, it's because I jotted stuff down on my phone. So if you see me looking down, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, inches 20, 22, 24, and an 18-inch closure. And the closure was a middle part closure. It came as a middle part closure, so I didn't have to do like too much to the part because, like I said, it was a middle part closure. It should already be plucked for a middle part. But all I did was just pluck the front of the hairline just a little bit. I just always tweeze the hairline just a little bit anyway. It was already pre-plucked, but I still, like I said, I still customized it just a little bit. I did bleach the knots, but I did not have to tint the lace. I did dye this hair jet black. I used the Adore semi-permanent hair color. And this is how it came out. And the one thing I like about this hair is that it's like really, really soft even after I put the color on top of it and bleached the knots. Like, I don't put any products in my hair. I don't put any oils in my hair. No sleek and shine. No edge stick. What is it called? The wax. I don't know what it's called. The little stick that you. Whatever. I don't put anything on my hair except water, shampoo, conditioner, and heat protectant. And this is the shine. It's like shiny. It has a nice shine to it, nice little luster. And the hair is like super soft and lightweight. Like when you wash it and let it air dry, the hair is like fluffy and lightweight. So once you straighten it, it's still soft. It feels like a little fluffy, but it doesn't look fluffy, if you get what I'm saying. Like, I don't even know if I can explain it any different. Like, I think since the hair is so soft, it makes it seem fluffy. I don't know. I hope y'all understanding. Y'all picking up what I'm putting down. When I ordered the hair, it came in 4 days. 4 days. 4 days. Like, that is what I'm talking about. Shipping my hair in 4 days, and I don't even know where it's coming from, honestly. I think, you know, I feel like all AliExpress hair vendors come from Europe. I don't know. I think they all come from Europe. But if it's coming all the way from China and it got to Statesboro, Georgia in 4 days, they doing something. They own it. They are on it. So the 3 bundles came up to $144. That is a great price for 3 bundles of hair for the length that I got. I got 20, 22, and 24 for $144. That's crazy. That's insane. So if I wasn't a person that wear closures and frontals and all of that, I would be ecstatic to find out that I can get 3 bundles of long hair for $144. Like, that's crazy. The only thing that made my price shoot up is, of course, the closure. The closure was $78. So my grand total came up to $222, around that range, like $222, just because the closure was expensive, low-key expensive. But like I said, if I wasn't getting a closure, $144 for 3 bundles of long hair, that's a good deal. Y'all better snatch that up. Y'all better click the link in the bio and go buy you some UNICE hair today, because that's a steal. So as for shedding, well, I'm gonna do tangling first. Okay. So, of course, with all the good things you say about hair, it's always a few bad things, a little, you know, whatever. The hair does tangle. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It tangles. Like, even though I keep brushing it, it tangles back up in the back. And I'm assuming it's just because it's long and, like, it's so like I told y'all, it's fluffy. So I feel like that since it's fluffy and long, I don't know, somehow that mixed together and make it tangly like all the time. I had to keep combing it, and like the front, I don't have to worry about the front. It's just like the nape area, the back of my neck. Since it tangles a lot, I have to brush it a lot, which means it sheds because I have to brush it so much to make sure that it's not tangled, which I end up getting shedding. So before I recorded this video, I of course brushed my hair, flat ironed it, and all of that good stuff. And this is all of the hair that came out of this brush. I don't know if you can see. And this is the only brush I use for this hair. And all of this hair came out just by flat ironing and brushing through this hair. So the 3 things I don't like about this hair so far is that the closure was expensive, the hair tangles, and that leads to shedding. So those are the 3 things I do not like so far. So let's get on to the good stuff. I like how the hair has a slight shine to it. Like, it's not too shiny to where it looks like it's plastic, but it has a shine. It has a good enough shine to it to make it look like it's healthy hair and that it's good hair. So I like that. I also like that the hair is really thick, because you know, usually with longer bundles you get less hair. So the wefts are like smaller the longer hair you get. So this is all of the hair pulled forward, and it's like really thick. The hair is really thick. Another good thing about this hair is that it's true to length. I feel like it's even longer than length, because I feel like I had 24 hair before. And no, I had 26, and the 26 hair that I had before stops above where this hair stops on me. I think I said that right. The 26 inches that I had before stops higher on me than this 24 does on me, basically. So this hair is definitely true to length. Oh, one more thing I did not like about this hair. The closure is good overall. It just had mad flyaways. Like, when I first got this closure, the flyaways were like out this world. I had to get some jam. And even though I said I don't put no products on my hair, that was the only time I had to put product on my hair, because the flyaways were out of this world. Like, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'll probably rate this hair 7.5. I'll say maybe around a 7, because there were more cons than there were pros, honestly. I mean, I like the hair. It's really pretty. It's really long, and it looks really good. But it was still more cons that outweighed the pros. So I'm going to say about a 7, just because I still do like the hair, even though it's so many things that was wrong with it. I still love the way it looks. So, UNICE hair, y'all get a 7.5 from me. Maybe it was just this batch, because I hear a lot of good things about UNICE, however you say it. I hear a lot of good things about it. So maybe it was just this batch of bundles or whatever, but needs a little work. Yeah, so I will see y'all in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other companies y'all want to see me review, and I will get that for y'all. But other than that, I think I'm done. I think I said everything I needed to say. Yeah, so I'll see y'all in my next video. I'm probably gonna record it today, the Lamoda hair review. I don't know, but yeah, I'll see y'all dolls in my next video. Bye, y'all.